Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And now welcome back to computer class. I hope you all complete last time practical by yourself using functions. You use all function in Excel and complete your task, right? So that time we already complete our chapter number 3. So now we are going to start our chapter number 4 using Excel as a database. Here is the first part of this chapter. In this session we are going to learn about overview of using Excel as database. Now this session I am just giving you overview of using database in Excel. Clear everyone? So first thing is that you have a one question that what is a database? So database is a collection of information related to a particular subject, such as maintaining addresses, phone numbers, a list of library books, keeping students record pertaining to academic and co-curriculum achievements, keeping employees information, everything. This all record is one way we can call it database. Clear everyone? One best example of this is student list. You all know that if you are in any class, your class teacher have one student list which contain your first name, your mother's name, your father's name, your address, your phone number, your birth date, your city, everything it's contained, right? It is called a database. Clear everyone about database with the simple example or live example, right? So how it's helpful to us? It helps the user to organize, retrieve, sort and edit data as per their requirements. Database consists of fields and records. In one database there is a two things, fields and records. In simple terms, what is a record? So records refers to row and field refers to column. In Excel you all know that there is a column and there is a column and rows. Columns refers with alphabets and rows refers with numbers. So whatever you are going to write down in columns is called as field, and whatever you are going to write down in rows is called as records. Clear everyone? So there are two things in database consist, fields and records. Here field, records and field names we are going to learn that what is the meaning of field, what is the meaning of record and what is the meaning of field name. In a field, a column within a database that contains only one type of data is called field. Whole database which is have a column that contains only and only one type of data is called field. For example, suppose I am creating a mark list. In a mark list there is a roll number, name, address or different fields. Clear everyone? Which is one type of information. Okay, so this all thing is called field. Now next topic is of record. What is a record? A record in a database is called record. A row in a database is called a record. Right now in what is a database only I explain you that what is a record. So records refers to row, rows refers to record. Whatever you are going to write down in rows in Excel, it is called record, which consists of information about one person or one object. Here is the Excel sheet I created and you can see the red mark line. Okay, it is called record. Understood everyone? So one roll number is 1, his name is A, his English marks is 75, his maths marks is 82 and the grand total is 157. This whole record which is under red line is called a record. Like this, in the given figure you can see roll number, name, English, math, total of 1 students forms a record, right? With the example, with particular picture you can understand what is the meaning of record now. Yes, this is roll number 2, row number 2, not roll number, row number 2, and that row consists whatever the data is called record. Got it everyone? Now we are going on a next topic is field name. What is a field name? So it is a column label for the field in a database. All the field names appears in one row. How? All field names which is appeared in a one row. How it is? So you can see here with a red mark. What is written in that field name? Roll number, name, English, math and total, which show you that in that column what you have to write down. Suppose that it roll number is written there. So in that column you only and only write down roll number. In name column you can write down only and only name. In English field name you can have to complete your English marks only. In math column you have to complete maths marks only, and in total you have to insert a total of all subjects. Got it everyone? So which suggests you that in this column what you have to write down is called field name. Clear everyone? So which you can see my arrow pointing that one red mark whole row, which show you that what is the label of that column is called field name. Got it everyone? Here is example. Roll number, name, English, math, total are the field names in the given database. Database means what? Whole Excel sheet is called database, which is consists roll numbers, names, English marks, maths marks and the total. This things is called a database. Got it everyone? So here in this lesson we are only learn overview of using Excel as database, that what contain database, like what contains field, records and field names. In the next part, next video, we will learn how to use form to enter data. Means we are not going to directly enter the data in a Excel sheet. We are using one form to enter the data in a Excel. So here last time and this time whatever I explain you, please revise it and learn it and do practically by yourself. Till then, eat healthy, stay happy. Bye everyone.